Hello, I'm Serge from Skycomp Solutions, and today we're going to talk about AI. AI is everywhere. You hear it. It's the new fun buzzword when it comes to technology. But what is AI, and what categories does it fall into? So I'm here to help you be a little bit more educated in AI. So AI breaks down into many categories, and so I can stop saying AI over and over again like I'm doing in this video. We're going to talk about a few of those categories. So there's first machine learning. Machine learning is kind of where it started. That's things like factories and automotive building, where they're using machine learning to train cameras and robots to automatically do a repetitive task so humans don't have to do it. That's kind of the basis and where things started. Then we moved into another realm of natural language and speech. That would be things like OK Google or Alexa, those kind of automation task-oriented. You can talk to them a little bit. Based on those prompts, it'll give you some feedback or kind of do the things that you want most of the time, but they're fairly limited. And to some level into natural language and speech, ChatGPT and some of the more advanced ones fit into that as well, but they kind of fit into another hybrid category. We also then have perception and vision. So that's cameras interpreting the world around us, doing things. So that would be things like Tesla Autopilot or different vehicles that have camera recognition to detect objects in the camera, alert you when you should stop your car, that type of idea. And then there's robotics and decision systems. So that builds on machine learning, and that's a little bit more advanced robots that are not just following a prescribed set of rules, but some more advanced information. They're a little bit, I'll say independent, but they're not really independent, but they're just getting more and more advanced. Now we get to the age that we're kind of at now, and that is generative AI. So that's really where ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini, those type of chatbots fit in. They're using an AI learning model to be generative AI. This would also be Autopilot from Tesla, where it's making decisions in real time based on a training model. So generative AI, this is also areas where probably everybody's seen on Facebook now the Mattel toys of different people that you know, and you see those generative AI pictures of an action figure of, the IT person or the music person, that type of idea. That's all generative AI, where that AI is creating content out of nothing based on a description, and it has a model to kind of base that off of. So that's the real world we're in generative AI. So when people say they have AI, it kind of spans many different topics, and hopefully this very short introduction lets you know kind of the different categories that fit into AI, which will help you keep up a little bit with the conversation you're having.